Thanks for joining us for the news at 11. I'm Vanessa Rufus.
And I'm Colin Mayfield. The North Carolina Department of Instruction is facing a federal discrimination complaint. An organization that fights for LGBTQ rights filed the Title IX complaint just today.
Yeah, this is over the new state law many refer to as the Parents' Bill of Rights. The state superintendent tonight defending that law. And WCNC Charlotte's Julia Kaufman breaks down the complaint.
Greg White with the Campaign for Southern Equality argues the Parents' Bill of Rights forces North Carolina schools to discriminate against LGBTQ students.
Our belief is that every student in North Carolina deserves to be safe and welcome wherever they attend school. And what we're seeing is that principle is being violated.
Since the law took effect this year, schools are interpreting the language differently, leading to confusion and frustration.
Some of the things that we've been hearing the most complaints about is students being outed without their consent, both to their parents and to their peers. For a student who doesn't come from a supportive home, that can really put them at risk.
White says this is due to one of the law's controversial provisions that requires schools to notify guardians if a student asks to use a different name or pronoun.
One of the examples of overcompliance that we've seen in several districts is that schools are going beyond notification to actually require permission from the parents first.
State Superintendent of NCDPI, Catherine Truitt, argues the law provides transparency for parents, adding, quote, parents, not the state, are ultimately responsible for raising their children. The Parents' Bill of Rights ensures that parents remain aware of major health-related matters impacting their child's growth and development. The complaint also calls out the ban on transgender athletes in girls' sports. Federal investigators will review the information provided and determine whether North Carolina is violating Title IX. And Colin, if discrimination is found, the Department of Education can issue penalties and withhold federal funding for noncompliance.
Some serious stuff here. Julia, thanks for reporting on that and shedding some light on what's happening there.